here's the new fridge. Awesome. And then there's a fridge box, and apparently somebody's living in it. Seven. Yes, I'm filming.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
This is how you get sound effects.
Wow.
You get Andrew.
Wow. Where's the banana gone?
Today, with Sylvia here. Basically, you can see the specimen over here, but it's the transversal cut to the aorta. And these are its cardiac cells. Pretty cool, right? We're taking notes on it because we're going to have a test about histology. Disclaimer: they do not hold the road so I can use Hey, it's Vogue with 75 questions. Alright, somebody doesn't want to do 75 questions with Vogue. Is it 75 or 73? Knock, knock. Say, who's there? Knock, knock. Oh!
Did I hit you in the nose?
So, first order responses. So you might remember this from a few weeks ago.
Just the only plain food I can eat is bread or cooked rice, so I'm going for bread at the moment.
So I've been ill these past couple of days. I ate something funny, feeling bad, puking, missing uni. I've got a lot to catch up on, and bland foods to eat. At least burnt toast isn't as bland as normal toast with nothing on it. So sometimes I mush the bananas on the side. Other times, I'll just cut pieces and then put it on toast. You know, like, what's the big deal? Boom.
Like, oh, is it?
Oh! He wasn't you, he was Jake who did that. Yay! Something funny. Hello?
Do you want to keep the egg holder?
Ooh, yes, please.
You don't think I have one. But maybe use the egg holder.
Stop filming.